Hello, geometry students. Today is your first asynchronous day, and here is your first asynchronous activity. You will create a floor plan of your house using either GeoGebra or graph paper. Your floor plan does not need to be to scale. It can just be a rough sketch of your house. If you do decide to use GeoGebra, be sure to sign into your account so you can save your progress along the way. Here's an example of the floor plan of my house. As you can see, there are two different floors. The first floor is much bigger with a living room, a dining room, a kitchen, a backyard, a bathroom and laundry room, two back rooms, my husband's office, and a guest bedroom, an atrium, my open office, and the garage. The second floor is just the master bedroom with a bathroom and a balcony. Your task today is to create a floor plan of your house similar to this. When you finish, you must determine the square footage of each room or space. For instance, my living room is 4 units by 5 units. So the square footage of the living room is 20 units squared. Be sure to find the square footage of the hallways and closets as well. After you determine the square footage of each room or space, add up the square footage to determine the total square footage of your house. This is your task for today's asynchronous activity. On the next asynchronous day, you will add more details to your floor plan, so don't forget to save your work if you use GeoGebra. I'm going to show you how to save your work. When you are in the calculator suite, you can save your work by going to the main menu at the top left with the 3 lines. Then click Save. Title your work something like Miss Young's Floor Plan, but use your own name. That is it. Good luck with drawing your floor plans. If you need help, you can request to see me during office hours for floor plans on Wednesday. Shoot me an email before Wednesday and I will invite you to the meeting. See you tomorrow for Synchronous Day.